thing I wanted to explain to you all what exactly is Funnel Builder Secrets. You know about ClickFunnels. If you're a newbie or if you're a beginner, if you're planning to use ClickFunnels, you know there is only two packages normally available, which is $97 per month, and the other one is $297 per month. So basically, there is another one which is called Funnel Hacks, which is for $997. You get like 6 months package free. But this is something which was released part of the mastermind group, so it's not openly available. So but I leave a link below, you can check it out. But I just wanted to, before you even decide about or think about it, I just wanted to give you what exactly you're going to get with Funnel Builder Secrets. Out of these three packages, like 1997, 29.97 and 59.97, let's discuss about these two first, because I'll let you know about this, but let me compare these two. What you're going to get between these is, if you see the difference is, you get like a 6 months of the 297 package. With this you get like 12 months of the 297 package. Firstly you should know about the difference between the 97 and 297. With the $97 package you get like 100 pages and 20 funnels to access. With the 297 package you get like unlimited access. And the extra thing is the Actionetics, that is the email responder, email automation responder. That's very important one. Unless otherwise you're going to use like external one like ActiveCampaign or Aweber or anything. So that's something an extra you get with the 297 package, which is an inbuilt email autoresponder. Also you get Backpack. If you're into affiliate program, you can run your own affiliate program within the ClickFunnels. That's called Backpack. So you get all these with the 297 package. So that's what we are talking about, the enterprise account. So that's what you get, like 6 months of that 297. This is 12 months of 297 package. Other than that, if you see all these three, like Funnel Hacks Masterclass, Funnel Builder Secrets and Traffic Secrets, I'll show you what you're going to get with these in a moment. Other than that, you get like unlimited funnels. That's what good about ClickFunnels is, they will give you lots of shared funnels. You can just plug in and you can start using it. Lots of funnels they're going to provide. The best thing about ClickFunnels is they give you this 30 days money back guarantee. Anytime you're not happy with it, you can claim your money back without any question asked. That's what really attracted me into ClickFunnels when I started like 6 months back. I'm into affiliate marketing, but really I struggled when like 2 to 3 months to pay even $97 per month. But once I started promoting ClickFunnels and once money flowing in, I'm really now using the $297 package, and really it pays for mine. ClickFunnels pays for itself for me. I mean, I have been promoting it. I've used other ones, there are cheaper ones out there in the market like Lead Pages, Samcart, Unbounce, but this is something it's worth. I've tried all others, but this is something I really got attracted. I'm really sticking to it for a long time now. So that's what it is. Anyway, let's get back to what you're going to get within these Funnel Hacks, Funnel Builder Secrets and Traffic Secrets quickly. I just want to show you quickly because I leave a link below to everything. You can always check it out. This is the Funnel Hacks. As I said, this itself, if you're going to buy separately, it's going to cost you $1,000, $997, I think. So basically you get about, basically you can see a long module. It's all about Funnel Hacks. Basically hacking my funnels, his own funnels. Russell is going to take you, completely train you about each and everything over here, about the membership sites, about the webinar funnels, sales funnels, you name it. Any funnels you want in your business, you can find it out here, and it's going to give away all the bonuses and training over here. And you're also going to get the inception secrets, instant traffic hacks. It's a huge module. This is such a huge one. I just wanted to give you just a hint of what you're going to get. I just don't want to go deep into it within this short time. So other than that, what you're going to get with the funnel builder, like the secrets itself, is basically you can see this long modules. This is what you're going to get. Basically the story of the funnel hacking 101. Each and every ones is going to give you the exact explanation what you're going to get. You can see this. There's also something called Traffic Secrets, which I was explaining. These are huge. Each and every modules, I myself have not finished it. It's so much it is there to finish. So you can see the entire thing in terms of traffic. Out of all the three, I like this Traffic Secret so much. Out of the Funnel Hacks or Funnel Builder Secret, this is huge. I have been learning a lot. Anything to do with just check it out. Keyword copywriting, email marketing, borrowing traffic, traffic formulas, Google AdWords, podcast, each and every thing about traffic is explained here. There's a huge one. I mean, Google SEO, you name it, YouTube marketing, it's all out here. It's such a big modules. You need our patience. It's so much it's to take in. You will feel overwhelming, but if you really want to achieve something, you need to spend time and you need to do it. I myself have not finished. I'm just going through whichever my favorite is Google AdWords, so I'm just concentrating on that. I'm taking what he informs, I'm just implementing it. That's how I'm doing it. I'm just not going to take overload myself. Just whichever is your favorite, take it, use it, implement it. There's nothing you can do. Like he's just gonna train you what it is. But if you're not gonna implement, nothing's gonna happen. Whatever you learn, straight away implement it. No need to go through each and everything all together and then you're just gonna leave it. Go through each and one thing. If you want email marketing tactics, go through it, implement it. If you want just the Google AdWords, learn fully, implement it. If not, it's of no use. Whatever you learn, whatever you spend, it will be of no use if you're not going to implement it. So basically, this is what all these three are going to get: funnel hacks, funnel builder secrets, and traffic secrets. These are huge ones, which is you're going to get part of these packages between these two. You basically, what I'm trying to say is you can still stick with, out of these two, if you compare, this is more valuable, the 2997. Well, the reason is you get this 12 months of the 297 package. That is basically you end up paying like $250 per month. If you calculate this value, it'll be around $250 per month instead of 297 for the ClickFunnels software itself. Along with that, you're going to get this masterclass, funnel hacks, funnel builder secrets, traffic secrets, and all these things over here. So that's the good thing that's why you can see the best value out of all these three is this one. But anyway, it's up to you, completely up to you. I just want to give you an idea about the last part, that is $59.97. Though the best what I would say is the big difference between all these three is you get all these 12 months, funnel hacks, funnel builder secrets, and traffic secrets. Upon this, you get like a program called Click Start. Basically 8 coaching calls with the top coaches of ClickFunnels is going to have directly talk with you and going to train you for 8 weeks. So within the 8 weeks, like one-on-one coach directly. If you don't know even what is sales funnels, if you don't know what to do, what do you want to do with the funnels, they can guide you from 0 to whatever the value is basically you're planning, they can take you up to. That's how it is. The Click Start program, you might have funnels, you might have, like traffics, but you need to know the strategies. Those things comes up only with the coaching calls. So if you're really into it, you can go for it. This is the top package, what I'm going to get with the $59.97, that extra 8 coaching calls within 8 weeks time, like one-on-one each week. It's called a Click Start program. That's the third package, I would say. I think I have explained almost everything. I'm just going to leave a link below. If you like it, you can just try this. Even before going through it, you can listen to Russell's explanation what I'm going to get. I will leave a link below, and also a link below to funnel hacks. If you think these are all too expensive, there's a basic package, it's called $997 package with funnel hacks. You still get the 6 months package free with the ClickFunnels, with the funnel hacks itself alone, that is $997. End of the day, whatever package you take, you need to implement. Learning, reading, nothing is going to happen unless otherwise you're going to implement. So I just don't want to push you selling something. I know I do promote ClickFunnels, but doesn't mean that you need to buy something and you don't want to implement, then it's of no use. Whatever you learn, try to implement, take action. Only then you're going to get results, etc. Guys, if you like the video, please like and share. I'm going to leave a link below. Try it out. Anything you want, any funnels you like, you want like a share funnels, I'll leave a link below. Anything you need to do with funnel building or affiliate marketing, just ask me in the comment. I'm just going to answer it. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for your time as well. Take care. Bye.